with my little sister, and we're going to be doing my sister picks my slime ingredients challenge. It's like the last video, but with slime. So are you ready, Cassie? Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Okay, so first thing that she is going to be picking is the glue. So we have some clear glue. We have some pink glue. And we also have some regular glue, which is white glue. And yeah, we're going to, my sister is going to be picking. See, please. One of the things. Okay, guys, so let's see what she's going to be picking. Cassie, what do you want to pick? This white one, the pink one, or the clear one? Yes, we got clear glue. We got clear glue. Oh no, I'm not gonna do the pink one now. Good job, high five. Yeah. No, nothing. She's speechless because she, oh my goodness. Okay, so let's pour in the clear glue. He's amazed. Okay, let's put the clear glue in. Ew, yuck. Okay, so I guess this is enough clear glue. No, where is the cap? Oh, here. Okay, this is the cap. So we're done with the glues. So this is the clear glue that is inside the container. It's kind of a bit few, but that's okay. So next thing is going to be some beads. So we have 4 different types of beads. I don't know if you can see these, but they're like mini beads. On camera, you don't actually kind of see them, but yeah, that's beads. And she's going to be picking one of these 4. We have green. We have green. We have green. We have blue. We have yellow, and we also have pink. So Cassie, come on, pick. Time to pick. What do you want to pick? This green one, this one, or this one? Please be pink. Please be pink. Please be pink. Please be pink. Thank you so much. I love you. You're the best sister ever. She picked the pink one, which is kind of nice, I guess. Oh no, I'm not gonna. So we're going to be doing a little scoop of this, which is no, you can't touch this. Oh no, you can't touch this. You can't touch a spoonful of this in here. Cassie, no. Oh no. Okay, you put. Oh no, that's a lot. Cassie, that's a lot. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, holy. Oh my god. Cassie, that's it. That's enough. Let's put some back. This is so much. Okay, she's starting to mix it. Oh my goodness, Cassie. What have you done to my pink thing? My pink beads. Oh my goodness. So let's mix it up first with you. Okay, you can't do it anymore. Fine, boss. Go. She likes to mix stuff. Okay, so next thing that I'm going to be letting her pick is some glitter. So we have 3 types of glitters here. We have this purple one, which is shaped in a star. We have a heart one, which is the color blue. And we also have green. We have mostly all the stuff here is green, but yeah, that's okay. So, Cassie, what do you want to pack? Do you want to pack this blue one, this purple one, or this green one? Or just want to start mixing? what do you want to pick? Pick it. Pick it. Pick it and make it. Pick it. Pick it. Pick it. Pick. Yes, pick. Go pick. You pick. What do you like? Pick. Oh no, it's green. Oh yes, thank you, Cassie. That's the one round that I'm not going to give you good jobs in. Okay, so can everybody open this? Can someone help me? Mommy. Oh! Okay guys, so I just finished opening this. So she picked green. The good thing about this is there's holes on the top, so you won't put a lot of glitter in here. I'm going to pick just a little bit of glitter. Cassie, do you want to put the glitter? Cassie, you want to put the glitter like that? Yeah? You want to put the glitter? Okay, put the glitter. Oh no, we're going to have glitters. Oh my god! Oh. That's enough glitter. That's enough glitter! Ow! My eye! My. Yeah, that's enough. I'm glittered up, guys. Call me glitter. Let's see. Okay, you mix it. I shouldn't have told you to put all the glitter. Now it's going to be one glittery slime. Thanks, Cassie. You're the best sister in the world. Okay, so I might have to change clothes after this. I don't know if pink and green makes a good color. Do you think, Cassie, pink and green makes a good color? Or you just want to mix it? Really? So you gave me green glitter. You put it a lot of glitter that even goes to my head. It's going to my eyes. And now I'm glittered up. I'm going to be glitter. No! He touched it. Oh my goodness, Cassie. By the end of this vlog, my slime is super duper not cool. Ah! Okay, so don't worry. We still have 1, 2 more left. So we have some gold sequences, or we also have some green glitter as well, but they're like different kinds of glitter for different brands. So it will be nice if she put green on it again. Yay! So Cassie, will you accept my challenge? What do you want to pick? This one or this one? Cassie, pick. Please. Go pick. Two. Pick. Go. Pick. Oh no. Pick. Look. Oh, pick. Pick what do you like? Yay! I thought this would be a bad idea. Thank you for not putting the green glue. Thank you. I love you. I need to put. Very careful with it because it also has glitter. Okay? We'll put a spoonful because I don't want Cassie to do this round. Okay. Oh yay! This is nice. I love this. I need more glitter. Yeah, this is sick. I love that. Well, that's done. Next, we're going to put some activator in here. So I'm going to be using Oreo Power Gel, which is gel. That's what activator that I use. So I'll snip it off just a little bit. Okay, let me get my spoon. Okay, oh my gosh, oh no. Okay, and Cassie, look at this. She just wants to play with the glue. Okay, it'll be in. This is good because the activator is pink, color pink. Okay, put more. Okay, let me put. And now let's mix more. More. Mix, mix, mix. More. More. More, 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 more. Ew, ew, ew. Okay, this is not bad as I thought it would be. Okay. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Is that fun? What's that? Fire, fighter, fighter.
Fire.
Can you sing Into the Unknown for me?
Yes.
3.
No.
Again, 1, 2, 3, go. Into the unknown.
No.
Into the unknown. So 1, 2, 3, go. Into the unknown. Go. Go.
No.
Into the unknown. So this time I'm mixing it more. Oh, okay. Let me see. Oh, it's actually kind of cute, I guess. This is the slime. Oh, no, it's still sticky. Ow, ow, ew.
Mommy.
Why? Is the fire and hat doesn't fit you? Oh. Okay, guys, so this is the final product of my sister picks my slime ingredient. Why? But this is the final product. Why? No more. Oh, mommy will fix it for you. Whoa.
Don't move.
That's a cool hat.
Don't move, okay? Don't move. Say hi, guys.
So this is the final slime. It's very crunchy because it has the beads in it, which Cassie put a lot of beads in it. And the seed, it doesn't actually go well. I'm no offense, Cassie, but thank you for helping me do my Okay, so this is the slime. She's shy. She's shy. Oh, please don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please click like, share, and subscribe. I hope you like this video. Peace out.